Alright guys, today we have a 2006 Toyota Sienna. This is the rear caliper. We're gonna change the brake pads on this car. So what you do is you take a 14 millimeter socket or a wrench. You're gonna remove this bolt right here. Alright. You're gonna also remove this one. The reason why we're doing both here is I'm gonna show you, just give me a second. Alright, this bottom one is turning in the bottom. I'm gonna go get a vice grip or something and I'm gonna lock that up. I'll be right back. So if this turns like that from inside, what you do is you grab this with something from the inside. You could use it like a 17 millimeter wrench, open-ended wrench, or vice grip. Just you hold on to it. Alright, so you're gonna get that bolt out of there. And then also the top one, this one's pretty loose, I could do it by hand. Just wiggle on it a little bit, it should come out. Alright, there you go, that's the other one. The reason why we're taking out both is a lot of times you could just turn it out, but this line gets stretched and we don't want to do that. You can, if it's not too much pressure. So you take out the brake pads. Alright, this customer, he brought original brakes from the dealer. Alright, that's what he brought. They look something like that. But it doesn't have any hardware kit, so those little shims are not there. One thing I want to show you guys, we grinded this a little bit. A lot of people, they just throw the brake pads on and they're stuck. You see how these goes in smooth? That's how they're supposed to be. Alright. Next, we're gonna compress this piston. Alright, let me move my camera up a little bit so you can see it better. So if you have a tool that looks like this, you take that and you compress that piston in. Like that. Alright, so we're gonna put this to the side a little bit. And then we're gonna need some grease. We're gonna put a little bit of grease on the outside of this brake pad. And same thing on the inside brake pad, grease on the outside edge. Also make sure you put some grease on this. You clean it up. And you put grease on this because this pin needs to slide in and out. And you do the same thing in the bottom one. See, I have the bottom one here, and this one goes in the bottom. Let me take my camera back down a little bit. So we take this pin here. I like to twist it, turn it so the grease can move around. After that, you take your caliper and you're gonna take the caliper, put it back on. You're gonna take that number 12, put one on the top. Make sure you catch the threads. And then you're gonna take the one in the bottom. You're gonna catch some threads. Now if this one moves inside, make sure you grab it and tighten it, because if it moves, it's not gonna tighten. So this one didn't move. Alright, there you go. Same thing on the top. It's the top one to move, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab it with the vice grip. There you go. It's tight, nice and tight. And that's it. And make sure this line is straight. A lot of time you twist it and turn it, this line gets twisted. And that's how you do brake pads on a 2006 Sienna.